Over the past year, one of our best-selling products here at Talissa Decor has been our ceiling planks. They are light, easy to install, and can quickly get any room looking its best in only a few short hours. Today, we want to show you 3 of our polystyrene glue-up ceiling planks. Sleek, minimalistic, and great for rooms of any size, these planks are fantastic when you're looking to cover up old popcorn ceilings. They can be glued up directly on top of popcorn ceilings, avoiding any of the mess that comes with removing it. All you need to install them is a utility knife and some glue. It's simple, fast, and most importantly, looks great. Why spend dozens of hours or hire an entire crew when you can simply glue the back of the plank, put it up, and you're done? The process is designed to be simple, so anyone can do it. The white version of the planks are clean, classic, and can easily be painted to match any room in your home. We also have natural pinewood and pre-finished gray planks to get your home looking just the way you want it. No matter what color you want on your ceiling, these planks are your best friend. To find out more about these planks, visit our website at talissadecor.com.